Hey, it's Pastry Friday with Red Kangaroo Books, the day where we reward ourselves for a hard week's work with pastry for the spirit and books for the mind. Today we're out on a field trip with renowned botanist Peter Latz. He's an expert in desert plants and okay, so Latz is not here, but it's almost like being out with Latzie when you read his new book, Tough, Tantalizing or Tasty. Latz shares his stories of desert floras in such a way that even novice botanists like myself can't help but get excited about desert plants. Ooh, a bush tucker pie or a quiche. Tough, tantalizing and tasty. There you go folks, have a great weekend and remember to reward yourself, you deserve it.